Have you ever solicited a minor for prostitution in the Virgin Islands?
Same answer.
That is, you are invoking your Fifth Amendment,
yes,
right?
Yes, Mr. Scrill.
Have you ever solicited for prostitution in New York?
Same answer.
Have you ever solicited for prostitution in New Mexico?
Same answer.
Have you ever solicited for prostitution in Paris?
Same answer.
Have you ever solicited a minor for prostitution anywhere at any time?
Again, I'm going to assert my right.
Jeffrey Epstein pleading the Fifth over and over in a 2009 deposition just this afternoon. Latest round of documents dumped. Attorney Misty Marris is back. She's been going through. Good to have you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
What matters to us?
Well, today, all of the documents really are in the sphere of what was going on with Jeffrey Epstein. A lot of just really horrible allegations. A driver saying that he was paid $200 per girl that he brought to the house. A housekeeper saying women that came were paid $100 an hour. Just these horrible allegations relating to the victims in this case. In addition to that, we saw term searches such as slave, erotic. That's in federal court e-discovery. You go through all of your emails and you have to pull out all of these terms. In addition to that, we saw some of the same names that we'd seen before. No surprise there, because of course that's all part of the discovery process.
The driver, if he was getting $200 to bring women, why wasn't he charged?
Well, this is all part of what we were speaking about yesterday, and it's who's passive and who's active in this, who's turning a blind eye, and who's actually a part of this trafficking. We don't know, because all we know is that law enforcement has had this. This is new to us. It is not new to them. So why there was a decision made not to charge, we don't know sitting here today.
And Alan Dershowitz.
Yeah.
He's all over it. I've never seen anybody mention more who wanted disclosure more than Alan Dershowitz. Why?
And funny enough, Chris, so we know that in 2019, Gouffre did make a public statement that she misidentified him, that she was mistaken. But you can see in these filings how Dershowitz was fighting tooth and nail right from the beginning. He actually made a motion to intervene in this action, and that's a strategic motion where you come in when you're not a part of a case, but there's facts that might overlap, because as you recall, Gouffre was suing him at the same time as well. And he actually wanted to unseal some of what was going on in Gouffre's case, because he wanted the opportunity to put that out in the public to defend himself. So very consistent with the statements that he's made all along. And in here, he's saying, let's go to court. I'm writing this affidavit, and I could lose my license as an attorney and be a perjurer if I'm lying. But I'm happy to go to court and bring that to the judge.
The question is, why? And of course, we're lucky enough, Misty, to have you here taking us through it. And now we have Alan Dershowitz to answer the question that only he can. Thank you very much. Appreciate you.
Thank you.
All right. So.